performing those strict against the wall. We can modify our head distance. We can perform those on a box or some floor alternative like the pike handstand push-up. Movement number 2, we will do the single leg Romanian deadlift. We have 10 repetitions on each side. We can hold on to one element or two, whatever we have on hand. We will be doing 20 V-ups, trying to touch our hands to our feet at the top of the repetition, scaling by bending our knees if we need to. And we have 10 single, double arch-ups, where our opposite leg and arm will be raising at the same time. We will do the other side, and then both arms and legs together. 4 rounds for quality of all of those movements. Moving on for part B,